Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. It's T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie, and today is a great day because we're going to ride a brand new coaster on its opening day here at Indiana Beach 2024. It's the American Triple Loop. It goes all the way back to 1984 when it was the Triple Loop in German, which is
Dreier Looping.
Dreier Looping. All right, so it's bounced around a little bit. It went to Malaysia for a little while, was England for a little while, then it was in Mexico City. It had some major maintenance problems in Mexico City, and they actually have that notorious train in the boneyard over here behind it. But we're going to get on this thing and see how the ride is. Join us for the ride and for the review afterwards, and we'll let you know what we think of the All-American Triple Loop in Monticello. All right, here we go. There are the loops. Wow, it's got a seat belt, a pull-down lap bar, and an over-shoulder restraint. There are 3 restraints on this.
Great.
It's got a triple restraint for the triple loop. Okay.
I mean, I guess that makes sense.
Okay, one for all the loops.
You're gonna have to exit.
2.
I lost count. I think you should be fine.
Okay. Oh.
That's Newark.
Guess we're going right in. Come on in, Becky. We're in the second car. Okay, it got a little confusing. They had to do a last-minute height check. So first things first, seatbelt, and then that lap bar is going to come down, and then they're going to pull these shoulder restraints down.
Supposed to be there.
You guys ready?
Yes. Oh, I've got the straps on.
I don't have a very secure. Mine just popped.
Just pull it down. Pull it down and hold on tight, Becky. They'll come by and check. I think I'm in it.
Oh yeah.
I think I'm in it.
Hi, Gene.
Yeah, it was like it was very loose.
Oh, you got to tighten your seatbelt.
Yep.
1 second here. Actually, that's the same. It's only been 3 years. We've been here. Apex Day. So.
Are you in, Becky?
Yeah.
You got your shoulder thing down?
Feel good?
Okay. Good grief. Yeah, make sure your seatbelt's tightened.
You're not getting out of that seat.
Long load time, but we're in it. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Let's hope this is going to be comfy.
Me too.
Ready? Should I go one more down? Sure. Nope. You're good. I don't know. They're tight cars.
definitely interesting.
I think we're in. Oh wow, this is complicated, huh? What an adventure.
I agree.
Just an adventure to get in it.
Oh.
Okay, here's the noise.
It started.
Prepare yourself. Oh boy.
Wow.
No way to put your hands up on this. Try to not hit the head. This might be bigger and rougher than what we think. I don't know. Here we go. Woo! Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh, good grief.
Woo! I got my neck. Hold on, everybody. Hold on! Oh, it's like a prize fight. Woo! Woo! Oh. Here we go. Oh, I don't know about this. My shoulders are feeling it, both sides. I definitely whacked the head to the side once or twice. But as far as like the terror factor of getting on this thing, it's worth the go. Because it had me nervous, and then this like triple restraint business, is like crazy. You got to pop that up, get your seatbelt out, and then
No, they do it.
they're gonna let you out. All right, we survived it. See you in a few. All right, the triple loop. It's got 3 restraints, and I'm gonna say it needs 4 because, oh, baby, she is a rocker.
Yes.
She's a roller. She's a prize fighter. I feel like I took an elbow hit, a chest punch, another chest punch, hit to the side of the head, this side of the head, and then one over there. I'm not bad or anything, I'm exaggerating, but all in all, like, be prepared for that. Like, it's loud.
It is very loud.
She just roars on the track. Even on lift hill, it's like electric motor wheels.
Yeah.
Which is, it's interesting. It revs up almost like a launch. You think it's gonna like launch you up there, and the lift is actually pretty fast.
Yeah.
The coaster is bigger than I would have expected. Like, from a distance sitting here, it doesn't look that big, but once you get up to the top of that hill, and you're like, oh man.
Yeah, that first drop, that was a great first drop.
Oh, it's a good drop.
Yeah.
Just don't crack your ears on it. That's all. And we had a buddy we rode another ride with said that it's pulling about 4.5 to 4.8 Gs today. So that's just about 5 Gs. I guess originally it pulled like 6 or something like that, but it had more trains, 5-car trains on it, and that sort of thing. But it's definitely worth a go. It's opening day here. You know, I had a fun ride on it. It's like the anticipation to get on it was interesting because, you know, there were some injuries.
I was, definitely a little nervous prior to boarding this.
Getting on it, you know. So I felt like that last loop was different than the first 2.
It was. I felt like it was
tighter.
Smoother.
Oh, you thought it was smoother?
I did, personally.
Okay, I thought it was just like smaller, and it just like real. I don't know. Maybe it was a little bit smoother. It's hard. I'll have to watch it back just to see where I was banging my head at. I think mostly on the turns. It's like you come out of the loop and it's smooth, and it throws you in that turn, and you kind of jostle
for me,
a little bit.
That first loop, it kind of got my neck a little bit. But other than that,
Okay. But I mean, I'm okay. I'm not bad. I'm walking away smiling. It's all good. But I had a nice ride on it. I'm gonna give it like 7 out of 10, just because it's rough, but it's a nice experience. It's back here in the back of the park, and the line wasn't too bad. So definitely get on that thing. So thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us. Leave us a like if you like us, and if you're new to the channel, check out our other videos. We got a lot of roller coasters and stuff on the playlist. We do park reviews, food reviews. Did a buffet today. All that sort of thing will be out on the channel, and we'll see you all very soon on the next one. Bye, everybody.